What if we want to see fewer events in Honeycomb, like drop them before they're sent to Honeycomb ingest? Often this happens in an open telemetry collector. If I'm using Honeycomb Telemetry Pipeline Manager, this is fun. Maybe today I'm working on logs coming from the OTLP receiver here, and I would like fewer of them to go into Honeycomb. Before this Honeycomb destination, there's a processor node here. I can click on that, and it shows me like a sampling of some data that's coming into the processor and some data that's going out, and I can compare them. And in this case, it looks like there's a fair number of debug logs, and it's recommending that I remove those. Sure. Let's apply this filter by severity level. You can do all kinds of conditions, but that one's easy. We'll save that, and then we'll roll it out. That goes to all the collectors in this agent fleet, and this line is gonna get skinnier. Over in Honeycomb, a few minutes later, I can check my logs across all data sets, except I don't want the CloudWatch ones. Let's look at those by severity. And we can see the debug logs dropping off. Our numbers are lower. If you're not using Honeycomb Telemetry Pipeline Manager, you can do the same thing in OpenTelemetry Collector configuration. Now, if I ever decide I need those debug logs, I can go back here and, well, they're going to S3, not to Honeycomb now, so I could always use this rehydration pipeline to send the particular time frame that I need back into Honeycomb at full volume.